Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to unpair the speaker Soundcore Boom 2 from your Android device. You have to start by opening Settings. Then you should find Connect Devices or Bluetooth, it depends on your device, and click on it. Then we can see the speaker, so we should press Settings button and click on Forget, and again Forget device. And here we go, we just unpair the speaker. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!